The silent storm gathered weight while the world slept in blissful ignorance. One man stood ready because he forged his shield in quiet discipline. Disasters do not announce their arrival with a polite knock at your door. Panic is a heavy chain that drags the unprepared into dark, cold depths. While others scrambled for safety, he maintained a steady and rhythmic pulse. His preparation acted like a fortress built upon a rock of pure iron. Money is merely paper until it transforms into a bridge across the abyss. He sacrificed temporary pleasures to secure a future free from sudden terror. Every saved coin served as a loyal soldier guarding his peace of mind. True strength is not found in muscles but in the absence of desperation. The emergency fund saved his sanity when the bitter winds of fate blew. Chaos retreated because it found no entry point into his calculated world. Like a marathon runner, he knew the value of pacing through the pain. He did not fear the winter because his harvest was stored long ago. A focused mind sees opportunity, where the frantic only see a dead end. He breathed deeply while the surrounding atmosphere turned thick with heavy smoke. Survival is a choice made months before the actual battle even begins. His discipline became the oxygen that kept his flickering light burning bright. Preparation always defeats panic when the final tally is finally counted up. Build your wall today so you can stand tall during tomorrow's flood.